All right, so today we got the MZK pole chainsaw. This is a 20 volt, comes with a battery, comes with a charger, of course. The battery has indicator on there, so pretty nice. You know when it's loaded or how charged it is. It's extendable up to 13 feet, so we're gonna test that. So up to 13 feet, it says, of reach. For storage, pretty nice. Close it up here. And this is how you kind of take it apart. Right here. So it stores up real nice. So with it back together, it's got a adjustable head here. Okay, so you can push this button, it's adjustable. Real nice to get in different angles. This is where you put your oil. Okay, this is where you tighten the chain back here. All right, this comes with a cover, and we have an 8-inch blade. So, you know, you're not the biggest blade. You're really gonna use this, obviously not to cut down trees, but you're really using this to cut down limbs. And it claims about 8 inches. It's about, actually it's a little over. It's probably closer to 9.5, you know, maybe 8.5, 9 inches. Okay, so it's not bad.
Good size.
Yeah, good size. The knob you use to basically tighten it up. So you see we can, if we screw this in, that tightens it up. You kind of want it like that. And then you kind of set it home with that. Probably should have unplugged it when I did that. It also has this little handle here. So to use it, real simple. It's got a safety and you clip it. All right. So that's 8 feet. 8 plus,
should be at least 5.
8 plus 5.
13.
13 feet. Yeah, so as claimed. All right, so now let's go use this thing. Let's check it out. One thing I want to mention too is MZK actually has a full line of power tools. So these batteries are nice. You can use them all kinds of things. Got lawnmowers, all kinds of things. And put some safety glasses on. Let's get that branch all the way up there.
Oh, cut right.
You know, one thing you want to be careful of with these is you don't want these to touch the dirt. So you want to be very careful not to allow this to touch the dirt, of course, right? Because dirt will dull these, all right? And since you are using a battery, you know, it's not like you have like a gas-powered motor that can just kind of power through if the blade is a little dull. You want to keep these things as sharp as possible, okay? So keep it away from the dirt, keep it away from concrete. Make sure you use the cover whenever you're not using it. That one up there.
You should put your glasses on.
Definitely should have had my glasses on. But yeah, hey, it works. Pretty cool, 13 feet. One thing I like about this is also, you could use this to reach out your window if you had some branches that were next to your house. You could reach out of a window from your house, being inside your house, reaching out and cut some stuff down. I'm actually thinking about doing that with that tree up there. MZK, it does what it says it does. It is a pole saw chainsaw. I'll put a link to this down below if you want to pick it up. I'm Mike, Found with TV, and I am Pole Chainsaw out.